Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter safe mode on your Honor 600 Lite. To enter the safe mode on your Honor where no third-party applications are active, you have to first connect your device to a PC. So grab a cable, insert one side of it into the PC and the other one into the smartphone. After that, we're gonna have to turn off the smartphone by pressing power button and volume up keys at the same time and selecting power off option. Once your device is turned off, we're gonna have to start pressing power button and volume up key at the same time until we load into the boot menu. Once you see the Honor logo, you can release the power button and keep holding the volume up key. Okay, here we're gonna have to select safe mode, which is the last option on the list, and you can just tap on it. Then wait for your smartphone to reboot in the safe mode. In the safe mode, you'll be able to see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. And if you want to exit it, you just have to press power button and volume up keys together, select restart and confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.